In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve common video playback issues you're experiencing on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for troubleshoot. Best result, you come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right panel, select additional troubleshooters. And then scrolling down underneath find and fix other problems, select where it says video playback, find and fix problems of playing movies, TV shows, or videos, and then run the troubleshooter for that. And then hopefully you can go ahead and just continue on with the troubleshooter and it should automatically resolve the problem here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.